Friends, how are you? So today we are going to learn maths worksheet. Everyone take out your maths worksheet. And our first question is read instruction and give following answers. Okay? Look at here. Paste the cotton in bigger cow. Okay? Paste the pencil cell in big cow. Okay? And paste the crayon cell in biggest cow. So now look at here everyone. We have some objects. Pencil cell, cotton and crayon cell. Okay? Now let we paste in given object. Okay. First everyone, paste the cotton in bigger cow. Look at here. How many cows are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 cows are here. Okay. This one is small cow. This one is small cow. This one is big cow. This one is small cow. This one is big cow. This one is bigger cow. And this one is biggest cow. Okay. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Okay. So now what we tell here? Paste the cotton in bigger cow. Okay. So now tell me which one is bigger cow? This one or this one? Yes, this one is bigger cow because this one is small and this one is big and this one is bigger. Okay. So here we paste cotton. How we paste cotton? Look at here. Okay. And take cotton. Spread like this. Spread the glue like this. Okay. Look at here. Just stick it. Do like this. Everyone do like this. Okay. Now next instruction is paste the pencil cell in big cow. Paste the pencil cell in big cow. Okay. Where is big cow? Yes, this one is big cow because this one is small cow and this one is big cow. Okay. So now we stick here pencil cell. How we stick pencil cell? Look at here. Take pencil cell. Okay, spread like this glue and just paste it. Okay. Everyone stick like this. Okay. Paste pencil cell like this. Okay. Now next is Paste the crayon cell in biggest curve. Paste the crayon cell in biggest curve. Okay, now tell me where is biggest curve? This one is biggest curve. This one is biggest curve. Okay, so now here we stick pen crayon cell. Okay, everyone do like this. So everyone complete this page like this. Okay, now everyone turn your page. Okay, look at here. Our second question is make 3 paper ribbon. Make 3 paper ribbon. अब क्या करनी है? First 3 paper ribbon बनानी. This one is long. This one is long. Okay. This ribbon is longer ribbon, and this ribbon is longest ribbon. So here one another ribbon. This one is short ribbon. This one is long ribbon. Short, long, longer, longest. Short, long, longer, longest. ओके ऐसे हम कहते हैं. ये कॉन्सेप्ट किसका है? लॉन्गर और लॉन्गेस्ट का है. पर अभी अगर हम किसी के साथ कंपेयर करना चाहते हो तब हम क्या बोलेंगे? दिस वन इज शॉर्ट, दिस वन इज लॉन्ग, दिस वन इज लॉन्गर एंड दिस वन इज लॉन्गेस्ट. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स रिस्ट्रिक्ट इट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट is make long blue paper ribbon and paste in first box. Okay, this one is long, so let me stick it. This one is long, so let me stick it. You stick like this. Okay, now in second box, longer. Which one is longer? This one is longer. This one is longer. Okay, so let me stick here longer ribbon. This one is longer ribbon. Okay, and now make longest green paper ribbon and paste in third box. Make longest green paper ribbon and paste in third box. ये कितनी है? सबसे लंबी है, तो उसको कहाँ पे स्टिक करना है? हमें थर्ड बॉक्स में करना है. ओके, okay, do like this everyone at your home. Now our third question is match and complete the series 51 to 60. Look at here, match and complete the series 51 to 60. Okay, which number is this? 5. It's match with 1. It's match with 1. And it's 51 51. It's make 51 51. Which number is here? 5 match with 2. Okay, it's make 5 to 52. 5 to 52. Okay, same like here. 5 3 53. 5 3 53. 5 3 53. 5 3 53. 5 3 53. Okay, now next is 5 4. 5 4. 5 4. 5 4. 5 4 54. And next is Next is 5 5 55. 5 5 55. 5 5 55. Okay. Next is 5 6 56. 5 6 56. 5 6 56. Next is 5 7 57. 5 7 57. 5 7 57. Okay. Now again 5 8 58. 5 8 58. 5 8 58. And then 5 9 59. Okay. After 5 9 59, which number comes? 6 0 60. 6 0 60. 6 0 60. Okay. Thank you everyone.